If you're going to carry a firearm, you must know the 4 primary firearm safety rules. Treat all firearms as loaded at all times. Keep your finger off the trigger until you're on target and ready to fire. Never point the muzzle of a weapon at anything you're not prepared to shoot or destroy. And last but not least, be sure of your target and what is beyond. When you're downrange or you're on the range, or if you're on the street, or if you're on your site, and for whatever reason you have to discharge your firearm, you have to be sure of your target because you are liable for each round that leaves that weapon. Unload, get them empty shell cases out of there. All they do is go to the range, boom, 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 back in the holster, boom, tunnel vision. You can die from tunnel vision. Get 2 targets, put your name on. If you see an unsafe act, call ceasefire, repeat the command, wait for instructions. Everybody step up to the lane. If you haven't done so already, put your eyes and ears on. Unload, reload. Boom, boom, boom. Everybody turn and face me. Do not look down range.